name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my perfume collection. So you guys know I am a little bit obsessed with perfumes and आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ सारे luxury perfumes share करूंगी. In the past also I've done quite a few perfume videos, but all of them have been more affordable ones. So I'll make sure to link those also in the description box below in case you want to check those out. If you want to buy or maybe gift that one perfume, I hope that this video is useful to you. And having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. So before we move on to the perfumes, I wanted to actually share with you guys some mists. So basically here I have some mists with me. All of these are a little bit more luxury, more expensive mists than usual. But I do use these a lot on a day-to-day basis. So I just wanted to quickly cover them. The first mist is an obvious one. This is my favorite since years and years. And finally it's available in India. So this is the Victoria's Secret's Pure Seduction Body Mist. This just smells like the best thing that I've ever smelled. I'm going to make sure to leave notes of each perfume on the screen so that you guys can of course see it for yourself, because obviously I'm not a professional. I'm just going to explain it like how I can smell it. So this one is like a sweet but a very like sexy fragrance. It's very powerful but it's sweet and it's cutesy. It's literally like Pure Seduction, जो उसका नाम है ना एकदम ही apt नाम है. They also have a shimmer version of this, so you can apply this all over your body and it gives like pretty like specks of glitter all over your body. Smells the same but it's even more pretty. So this is the only Victoria's Secret mist that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in today's video, because these just don't last as long, but I love the smell of Pure Seduction, so I don't mind reapplying it. Let's talk about Bath and Body Works. So this is my current favorite. बहुत ही कम बचा है. This is called Champagne Toast and this just smells incredible. It's like a sweet and spicy mist. I have been using this literally every single day for a while and I have been loving it. I will definitely repurchase this. I will say lasts longer than Victoria's Secret. And then we have a classic. This is called Warm Vanilla Sugar. I used to actually own a candle also in this very same fragrance and I love this one from Bath and Body Works. It's literally the name. It's like a very sweet vanilla fragrance. It's very girly, very flirty. Smells amazing. It's straight up vanilla. Then the last mist that I have is from Sol de Janeiro. This is really expensive for a mist, तो मैं उसको बहुत ही calculatively use करती हूँ. But it smells so unique. It's a very tropical smell. Like it's coconutty, there's pistachio, there's vanilla, there's caramel. Like it's very complex in my opinion. And I love it. It's a very unique scent. So those were my top like favorite mists. Now let's move on to the perfumes. I think I'm going to start with an all-time favorite. This is Pure Excess. I feel like this perfume isn't spoken about enough. Like I feel like it's very underrated. This just smells amazing. Like you can wear it during the daytime, but preferably nighttime. It's a very sexy and sultry smell. I was actually wearing this last night only, and in the morning when I was like keeping my clothes away, जो मैंने कल रात को पहने थे, I could literally still smell it on them. It's very strong. If there's one perfume that will last me for like days on my clothes, it's this one. Like it's just so good. A lot of times I feel the need to layer my perfumes because I want it to be unique, I want it to be complex. This one does the deal on its own. Like when I wear this, I don't feel the need to layer. So definitely this is up there on like my top 3 perfumes list. Another perfume that I love, like absolutely love, is from Kayali. So this is Vanilla 28. I think this is their best seller and I know why. आधा खत्म हो चुका है. ये मुझे last year मेरे birthday पे मिला था and I've been using it sparingly, and तो भी I am quite surprised कि आधा बचा हुआ है. There was a point where I was using it literally every single day because I was obsessed with the smell of it, but then I had to like remind myself, calm down, it's an expensive perfume. I should use it only like for like special occasions. So this is a vanilla, as the name suggests. It's like a alcohol-y vanilla, if you know what I mean. Like थोड़ा सा strong है, थोड़ा सा अलग है, and it's really good to layer with. Like this goes with everything. This is my base perfume and then I like layer other perfumes on top. If you're a fan of vanilla, I feel like you need to save up and get this one. We have another Kayali perfume. So this is the Utopia Vanilla Coco 21. The name is quite self-explanatory. It's vanilla with a little bit of like a chocolate cocoa vibe to it. I will say I do prefer the original vanilla over this one. The packaging is really cool. Like it was really cool when it came, but since it's like a metallic kind of a packaging, pura rust lag gaya hai, which is not something that I would expect from a perfume that's so expensive. So that's like my only bone to pick with this one. But it does smell amazing. Kayali perfumes also last quite long. The vanilla one to lasts me again, like I can smell it the next day on my clothes. This one is also pretty good. Like agar subah laga diya to raat tak you will be able to smell it. And then we have the newest launch, which is called the Eden Juicy Apple from Kayali. I did pick up the mini size, which I feel like in hindsight is not a very good idea. I should have just gone to a Nykaa store, smelt it and gotten the biggest version available, because I feel like you get the most amount of like worth out of your money, because ये बहुत छोटा है, ये तो मेरे से तुरंत खत्म हो जाएगा, and ये भी सस्ता नहीं था, so just makes sense to buy the bigger one. But it smells incredible. It's a juicy apple, just like how the name suggests. Again, when you layer it with the vanilla one, you will smell like an apple pie. Like it's just incredible. Even on its own, it's a really nice like apple fruity sort of a scent. Really good. Like Kayali makes good perfumes. Next up, we have this really cutesy looking perfume from Chloe. I love the packaging. Also, this is a little bit more less expensive than the other perfumes that I've showed you, which is why this was like one of the first few perfumes that I had bought. Comparatively सस्ता perfume है, Chloe से है, so अच्छा ही होगा. And this smells like roses. Like if you're a big fan of roses, you will really like this. I'm not the biggest fan of roses, which is why ये basically पूरा ऐसे के ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है. I need to have like a very specific rose smell. Like मुझे बहुत specific rose smells पसंद आता है. ये वाला not necessarily, but again, as I said, अगर आपको rose perfumes पसंद है तो you will like this one. Let's talk about this one. So I think this is my oldest perfume in my makeup collection, perfume collection. And just look at the packaging. The packaging is also the coolest. This is from Victoria's Secret and this is the Tease variant. This is the EDP that they have. I have very little bit of it left and I literally save it for like special occasions. I think you can pick this up from Nykaa now, but I got this years ago, like 5 साल पहले मैंने लिया था ये. And I love the way it smells, but it doesn't last very long. That's the only thing about it. I think Victoria's Secret in general makes perfumes that are very like sultry, very seductive, very sexy. This is exactly what this one smells like. Again, a really good nighttime perfume, but yaad rakhna, will not last you that long. We have another classic. This I feel like is there in every list. Like everyone, whoever is like recommending luxury perfumes will always recommend this. So this is the YSL's Black Opium. The packaging is super cool. I have the shimmery variant. They have like a few different packagings for like the same bottle. Now again, I will say this is like a nighttime perfume. I can definitely smell coffee in here. It's also very woody. There's a little bit of vanilla also. It's a complex fragrance, obviously, and again it's a very unique one. It's definitely a really good perfume to have if you're like a collector, if you're someone who really likes to buy perfumes. You will not regret buying this one. We have another YSL fragrance. So this is YSL Libre and this was actually gifted to me by that quirky Miss Aditi. She has gifted me quite a lot of perfumes and this is one of them. This is now straight up floral. बहुत ही floral fragrance है ये. It's orange. Like orange is like the dominant, orange blossom is the dominant smell in this one. I feel like either you love this fragrance or you just won't like the fragrance. It's not like it makes a statement is all I can say. if you like floral fragrances, you will really like this one. I remember once Aditya described this perfume as like a Ganpati Chandan vibes, ऐसा आ रहा था उसको, which I mean, I can kind of see that, but in like the best way possible. Like, I feel like I need to be in a very specific mood to be able to wear this one. I don't just like wear it all the time. It's not very me. Like, I can layer it again with vanilla and get away with it, but on its own, I feel like you need to have that personality to be able to pull this one off. Let's move on to the next perfume. So this is traditionally a men's perfume. So this is called the 1 Million Elixir. I personally believe that perfumes can be worn like both by men and women. ऐसा कुछ अलग distinction नहीं है. Obviously it's on your choice. If you really like cologne type, really strong perfumes, then you can try this one out. This is also very strong. It's very powerful. Again, it's great for the night time, and I really like to mix this one with vanilla. So it just like kind of balances it out. I remember I used to do this job when I was young. Of course, I did not own all of these kinds of perfumes. So I would take one of my dad's perfumes and then I would take one of my mom's perfumes, mix it together, and then it would smell obviously very unique. Yeah, so that's what I do even now. Like, I take a women's perfume and then I take like a men's perfume and then mix it together. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's actually really, really cool. And this is also the perfume that Aditya uses. So it literally smells like him straight up. It's a very strong cologne type smell. That's just like the best way I can explain it. I also have like the female version of the same perfume. This is called Lady Million. Again, the packaging is really cool. This definitely smells a little bit more like a feminine version of the previous one that I showed you. But I will say there's nothing extremely special about this perfume. It is a very like spoken about perfume. It's a very popular perfume in the perfume world. But मुझे personally बहुत ही ज़्यादा out of the ordinary इसका smell नहीं लगता है. Like, it's nice, but it's not something different. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't necessarily recommend you to go for this one. There are lots of other options that I would recommend. Let's talk about a perfume that everyone has heard me recommending over and over again. But in case this is your first time watching my video, you have to get this one if you want a really nice luxury perfume. Get the Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. Obviously, the packaging is super cute. I don't have the biggest bottle available, बट मेरे पास इतना सा परफ्यूम बचा है, तो एक बार ये खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं वो बड़ा वाला लूंगी. एक्चुअली अभी मैं नहीं लूंगी. आई हैव टू मेनी परफ्यूम्स राइट नाउ. लिटिल बिट लेटर, बट दिस इज लाइक माई all-time favorite perfume. I know I've said that about 2 other perfumes already, but again, this is in my top 3 list. This also lasts a really, really long time, and I'm like smelling these perfumes and it's like literally reminding me of like different times in my life, because I like to stick to like one perfume for a while taki it becomes kind of like a bookmark in my life almost. I can literally smell this and remember when I used to stay in my previous wala studio, like that lockdown wala period is what reminds me. But it's such a good perfume. Even when I was doing the perfume video with my guy friends wherein they were rating these perfumes, this was a really popular one. Everyone loves this. Males, females, it's just such a good perfume, and it's a very popular, very highly spoken of perfume, and for good reason. Another Carolina Herrera perfume, जो पहले वाला भी था, by the way, वो भी Carolina Herrera ही था. This is the male version of it. This is the 212 VIP Black. I really like the packaging. It's so like classy. So now this actually has 2 very different notes. So this smells like leather, which is like very strong and, you know, fierce, but then it also has lavender in it, which kind of I feel like balances it out. So like when you smell it, it's a really nice calming smell, but with like a strong power to it almost. It's very musky. It's like a proper male perfume, you know, जैसा होता है, cologne vibes है, but बहुत ही अच्छा है. It's not very like in your face male perfume like how, you know, usually colognes are. As I said, the lavender just kind of mellows it down. It's a really, really nice and sexy smelling nighttime perfume. Now that I think of it, I have a lot of nighttime perfumes. The next perfume that I have, I feel like I haven't like heard a lot of people speaking about this. So this is from Hugo Boss and this is called The Scent. So it's a very fresh scent. It's great for the daytime, lasts you like 4 to 5 to 6 hours uske beech mein. But I think it's really, really good. It's not overpowering. It's very much like it's there, you know, but it's a very unique scent. Like again, it's not like a very generic smelling perfume. I really like this one. Next up we have Gucci Bloom. ये भी मुझे आदती नहीं दिया है. It's like my first Gucci perfume. It was very fancy when I got it. I was like, oh my god. And the packaging also is really cute. It's like a pastel pink with like a floral like print in the middle. It's very classy. Now this perfume is a little bit of everything. So there's obviously bloom hai, so there is like a floral note. It's fruity also. There's woody notes also. It's musky also. Again, like बहुत ज़्यादा layered perfume है. But it is very fresh. I will say that. It's really good for like a daytime thing. If you're going for like a Sunday brunch, I would imagine you wearing this. So again, this is very out there. The scent, it's very unique. Again, I will say that. But I don't necessarily love it. I could again mix it with my vanilla and get away with it. मैं सब कुछ vanilla के साथ mix करके मुझे अच्छा लगने लग जाता है. But if you like floral and fruity, I think you will really like this. Floral and fruity is not my biggest. Like I don't lean towards those scents the most, which is probably why I don't enjoy this one as much. So now this perfume that we have, I feel like has the coolest packaging out of all the perfumes that I own. बहुत ही cool है ये packaging, which is precisely why I picked this up. I remember I bought this for my 22nd birthday. Lockdown चल रहा था तभी, I remember. And मैंने ये लिया था like as my birthday gift to myself. Haven't really used it at all, to be very honest, because it's not my vibe, which is exactly why you should do a little bit of research about the kind of perfumes that you like and you want to buy. You don't just buy shit because it has cute packaging, which is where I went wrong. It is very cute, but it kind of smells like जब हम छोटे थे, like teenagers थे, तब हम deodorant लगाते थे, पता है? It literally smells like that. It smells very much like lychee, that I will say. But then I'm just not like a big fan. Like there's sandalwood also in there, but not feeling it. If that smells really good to you, like lychee, sandalwood, then you can go for it. But yeah, I don't love it. It's not my most used, most loved perfume, but I think I need to start using it. I need to figure out like a mix with it that might work for me, because पूरा perfume भर के पड़ा है. I need to use this. Before I end today's video, let's take a mini break for today's giveaway. I think with that, I'm going to end today's video. Do bear in mind that all of these perfumes I've collected over the years. It's not like कि मैंने अभी खरीद लिया है. I do know I own lots of perfumes. I absolutely don't need to buy any more, and I agree. I'm gonna make sure to link down below all of these perfumes in case there is a specific one that interests you. You can check out the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.